So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY.
What's up, ATC Gang? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are in the kitchen. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and make dinner. I am doing a homemaking collab, and it is hosted by Jessica Myros and organized with Joy. So we each do different things around our home, and make sure you check the link in the description box so you can see all the content from everyone participating in this collab. So we are gonna go ahead and get some food in these pots. My family's hungry, so let's see if we can get dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less. All right, y'all. If you want to see what we made and how it turned out, keep watching. All right, y'all. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and start by boiling some water. I like to do this first so that my food can cook a little faster. I'm adding some garlic salt and some parsley to the water. That is the water for my noodles. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up all of my salmon. You can use fresh salmon for this, or you can use the salmon that's already, prepackaged like I'm doing. By the way, we are making some salmon and shrimp Alfredo with homemade Alfredo sauce. So if you love pasta, this is the video for you. If you're new to my channel, hello, let me stop and introduce myself. My name is CICELY. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia, and I like to do all types of content just to show you that if I can make it through hospitalizations, you can make it through whatever life throws your way. You can do it, and we can do it together. So go ahead and join the family. All right, y'all. So you got to add your butter. I had about a tablespoon of butter. And now that the water has been boiling for 10 minutes, you go ahead and pop your spaghetti in half. And of course, my sous chef over here is breaking his neck to be able to help me. So I'm going to let him do that. It's going to get messy, but that's all right. You got to let your kids get involved so they just feel loved and so that they learn in the process. He was waiting, y'all. Look at him. That's my little baby. So after he put his pasta in and got spaghetti all over the stove, we just moved on to making the salmon. Y'all, this salmon cooks super fast. And I mean like within 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure you don't overcook your salmon because it'll have the chance to cook more later on in the video.
But you never loved someone. But you never loved somebody like I just did. But you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why. Why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, 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 nothing will do, not this time. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I know you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promised me you're everything, but never.
Okay, guys, so it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and flip the salmon over. Y'all, look at my baby once he realizes that he's on camera. See how he instantly smiles? That boy stay ready. So he's going to help me flip it over. And once you're done cooking your salmon, maybe 10 to 12 minutes, you just want to take it out. And then you can take your spatula and gently chop up your meat. Don't chop it up too much because it'll fall apart easily, and it's going to fall apart later once it's in the sauce. So once you have that nice and separated, you go ahead and go on to your shrimp. What I decided to do with my shrimp was take it out of the bag, and it's frozen, so you could use fresh shrimp, or you could use frozen shrimp. And if you using frozen like I am, you should probably defrost this ahead of time, but I forgot mine was frozen. So all I did was just turn on my water, turn on the warm water, and then it helped to defrost it a whole lot faster. By the time I finished taking the shell off, it was ready to go. Now, if you use warm or hot water, it is going to start to cook it just a tinge. See how it's kind of orange, but it's perfectly all right. You stop that cooking process by adding a little bit of cold water. Add your butter to the pan. I did about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. Put your salmon down, put your shrimp down, and then add a little bit of Old Bay. This is going to cook super fast, just like the fish, probably about 5 minutes, and then you go on to making your sauce. after 5 minutes, this is how everything is looking. I took the salmon and the fish, put it together in one bowl so I can go ahead and start on my sauce. This is almost a stick of butter. If you are still here thus far in the video, pop this emoji on the screen. Alright y'all, so you just want to add your 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and your grated Parmesan cheese 1 cup at a time, and you just take your time adding more cheese as you continue to stir, and it'll get thicker and thicker. It probably takes about, you know, anywhere between 5 to 8 minutes in total to stir your sauce and get your Alfredo as thick as you like. Once you have your sauce to the thickness that you like, you just go ahead and plate everything up. I decided to serve mine with a side salad. Alright y'all, so as you can see, it was super easy. I hope you enjoyed my recipe, and if you did, comment down below. Do you make recipes like this at home with your family? And one video at a time, we're gonna erase the stigma around sickle cell anemia and disability. I enjoy posting vlogs, recipes. We like to do a lot of hauls, DIYs, and home decor. So if that sounds like something you're interested in and you want to follow our family's journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a beat. Alright y'all, until next time, be blessed.
ATC on top, according to CICELY. Gotta drop some, according to CICELY.